Oven roasted potatoes recipe. Ingredients: 4 large potatoes, peeled and cubed, 1/2 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon onion seeds, 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon dried garlic, 1/2 teaspoon dried dill. Directions: prep the potatoes. Begin by peeling the potatoes and cutting them into evenly sized cubes. The cubes should be about 1 inch in size to ensure they cook evenly. Mix the spices. In a large mixing bowl, combine all the dry spices: crushed red pepper flakes, salt, chili powder, paprika, onion seeds, fennel seeds, dried garlic, and dried dill. Stir the spices together until they are well combined. Coat the potatoes. Add the cubed potatoes into the bowl with the spices. Toss the potatoes gently with your hands or a spoon until each piece is evenly coated with the spice mixture. Be sure that the potatoes are well covered on all sides with the spices for maximum flavor. Prepare the roasting pan. Take a roasting pan or a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper or lightly grease it with oil to prevent the potatoes from sticking. Spread the seasoned potatoes in a single, even layer on the pan. This helps them roast evenly and become crispy on all sides. Roast the potatoes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Once the oven is hot, place the pan with the potatoes in the oven. Roast the potatoes for about 20 to 30 minutes, turning them occasionally every 10 minutes to ensure that they brown evenly on all sides. The potatoes should be tender on the inside and crispy on the outside when they are ready. Check for crispiness. After 20 to 30 minutes, check the potatoes by poking them with a fork. They should feel soft on the inside but crispy on the edges. If they need more time, continue roasting for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your desired level of crispiness. Serve and enjoy. Once the potatoes are roasted to perfection, remove them from the oven and let them cool for a couple of minutes. Serve them hot as a side dish or snack, and enjoy the perfect balance of crispy, flavorful oven-roasted potatoes.